To install the Hyfe Cough Tracker, you need to go to the Play Store. There, type Hyfe in the search field, click the search button, and select the Hyfe Cough Tracker. Click the Install button and wait until the installation completes. Once it installs, the app will launch. Proceed through the onboarding screens. Then press Get Started. You can sign in with a Google account, Facebook, Twitter, or email. For this example, we will sign in with an email. You can select one of the Google accounts you already have, if you want to sign in with any. If you want to log in with a different email account, select None of the above. Type your email address and press Next. Then type your password and click Sign In. After that, you will see the welcome screen. To proceed, you must check the boxes representing agreement with the terms of use and privacy policy. Optionally, you can select the third box. Then click Accept. Click to enable the microphone, and in the pop-up window, allow Hyfe access to the device's microphone to allow the app to record your cough. The final step to launch the app is to record your cough. Press OK, I'm ready, and cough after 3, 2, 1. If the app recognizes your cough, it will show you this screen. So now you are ready to start using the app.